Hi, Charles Moman here. Well, it's been a little over a week since update number 2, and this will be my last actual update. From now on, everything's going to be called an episode, and most of them will be 15 minutes or less. Now and then there may be where I'll do like a summary of all the installation that I did. I might do that in one video so somebody can see how I did the walls, floor, and ceiling. But as I move along, each episode will be kind of short. I've not been sitting around doing nothing. We had some family things going on here. We really had a very busy week, and that's all you need to know. But I still am waiting on a couple of things because I want to do things in order. I've actually already recorded 2 episodes, and my wife and I we took a drive and recorded the sound level in here, and I've already got the template cut. I already had the cardboard mock-up of the furniture in here, of the cabinets, and how everything, the seats. So I've already done that. I've already filmed that, but I want to keep everything in sequence. And so the first order for me is I've got to get 2 windows, and they came in. These are CRL, I think that's right, bunk windows, and they're going to be going on the back panels on either side. And then, as you know, I've already got the fan and the vent, but I'm waiting for an adapter. There are ribs up here, and I found a guy that makes these adapters so that instead of building up extra butyl tape where it's sitting above the ribs, this is an adapter. It works great, and they were back ordered, and they made them for me I think on Friday or Saturday, and so hopefully I'll be getting them here by Wednesday. So next week I'll go ahead and get these windows cut probably tomorrow. Today's Sunday, and then the fan and the vent I have to wait. And I also have to wait for good weather for that day because I can't fit this in the garage. So I've already painted the possible places it could have rusted. So I'm going to go back around with a glass cleaner and get them all cleaned up. And then I can start putting this Kilmat. So my 4 boxes came in, and I will really be covering this place up big time, more than average. But they sent me 4 boxes that will do an awful lot. And so I had to wait before I did all these holes, because why put the Kilmat on and then cut it right back out and have to mess with it, because this stuff really sticks. So it just made sense to wait, and then I wanted to present these in order. So I would say by Friday, Saturday at the latest will be episode 1, and don't be surprised if I don't drop 2 or 3 episodes all at the same time. That won't probably happen again. But then I'm not going to name a certain day. I know some people that do the blogging thing, and some band builders too, but mainly the blogging, they'll say every Sunday, and then maybe they might do an update on Wednesday. And I'm not blogging, and I'm not, as I've told you, I'm not going to be making coffee and fake getting up in the morning and all that kind of jazz. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. It's going to be kind of a how-to, as I've mentioned before, but I'm still learning how to do this, so you'll just see how I do it, and there really will be absolutely nothing new in what I do, except I took what I think are the best ideas out of several of the YouTubers that have built vans, and so it might be a different combination, but that might be it. So I think that's all I wanted to tell you. Like I say, the floor template, I'm ready. If things go fast, I'll probably get this the insulation and the subfloor in very soon, and we ordered. We picked out some big sheet vinyl, and I'm picking that up this week as well, so that I can get that all on, and then off I go to the races. So we'll see. I know there'll be things that might slow me down, but that's okay. So first episode is definitely coming up this week, and I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.